Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday today and we are going to Trader Joe's. I'm so excited. I think I went last month, just Oakley and I was a little bit traumatized, but I'm going with Lynn's today. I'm wearing this super cute, this is a dress but it has shorts underneath from Abercrombie and it's so comfortable. Like I'm gonna work out in this. I'm literally wearing sneakers. Like it's super sporty. What, honey? Ooh, don't take your, ew, gross. There's all these slimy fingers on my outfits. It's fine, but, Oh, Oakley's already a little bit crabby, but we gotta change him before we go. But that's our plan for today. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna try to do a lot healthier because I'm on this fitness journey. Because I'm on this fitness journey, I really don't want to get too many unhealthy things. As much as I want to, I don't want to. So I think I'm going to limit myself to just 2 treats and then the rest are going to be healthy. I want to get like green juices and salads and I don't know, I'll see what else there is, but I don't want to get anything that's like bread because I think that's where me and Scott struggle. We love our bread. Bread and cheese, like who doesn't? But that's where we have to resist. I do want to get ingredients to make Scott a birthday dinner because it is his birthday this week. So I think that's gonna be kind of like a cheat meal because I'm not trying to make him a salad for his birthday. So I want him to enjoy it. Oakley. I always call them the opposite names. Anyways, we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. I will take you guys with us, but I wanted to show you this cute, sporty little outfit. Real quick before we leave, I want to show you guys, I got some soaps from Bath & Body Works. So I got Bright Summer Days. We literally only had winter ones and we were running out of the winter ones. So I was like, it's time to get some spring and summer ones. So Bright Summer Day, there you go. Someone's cranky. I hope he sleeps in the car. Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. This one smells so good. Look at the packaging. That's really pretty. Here you go. Then we have Oceanfront Garden. This is another really good one. And look at that picture. These are so pretty. I swear each year their packaging gets better. Bronzed Sun. Bronze Sunset. That one's a really nice one. Then we have this one, Ocean Driftwood. What, honey? Here you go. You are Mr. Cranky. And then the last one is Fresh Getaway. So just stocked up on some soaps because this should last us a decent amount of time. And yeah, I need to get some wallflowers, but I might not get Bath & Body Works ones. I'm not sure. But you know, just some new hand soaps. And now we are going to meet Lynn's and go to Trader Joe's. We are back home. I actually think I did really well. I did not get too much that is unhealthy. So let me show you everything that I picked up. So I got a big thing of nectarines. I haven't had a nectarine in a really long time. So nectarines, I got strawberries, blueberries. Oakley loves strawberries and blueberries. He also fell asleep in the car, which kind of screws up the whole nap for the rest of the day. So he's just hanging out in his crib right now. He's not gonna fall asleep. I'm gonna make Scott a pizza for his birthday, but it's this Trader Joe's recipe that I saw. So garlic and herb pizza dough, this burrata fresh mozzarella cheese. I got yogurts for Oakley. I got prosciutto, which is gonna go on the pizza. Salmon for tonight. Vegetable stir fry. Teddy got groomed last night, and I don't know if I already told you, but he's like, I didn't even sleep last night because he's just like, something's irritating him. I think it's his butt because he gets like his anal glands expressed and he's just on another level. But I got vegetable stir fry, Mexican salad, 2 different cheeses, mild cheddar, and then light string cheese. Oakley really likes these and so does Scott. I got these from Michaela. I got hot and sweet jalapenos. That's also gonna go on the pizza. I got jalapeno sauce. I don't know, I got that for Scott to try. I also got jalapeno limeade because this was rated really high and I really wanted to try it. I feel like it would taste good as like a mixed drink, but we're gonna give this a go. I also got cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna give that to Michaela though. These are also for Michaela, the Very Green 100% juice smoothie. Overnight oats, if you guys don't wanna know the amount of ones that I got 5 of these, okay? These are so yummy. Rolled oats soaked in an almond beverage. Literally, there's nothing like this. I don't know why this is so good, but it is. It tastes like a dessert. I also got the non-dairy oat creamer brown sugar. This I think is recently new, and it is, well, I don't know if it's good, but it was rated really high, so I feel like it's gonna be perfect for my brown sugar shake and espressos. I also got wild berry cheesecake ice cream. Oh my God, yum. Another newer product, and it looks delicious. This is also new, mini cheesecake cones. Yum. So these are like my 2 dessert things that I got. I got coconut whipped cream, because that's yummy. Pouches for Oakley, so strawberry, apple strawberry, and apple mango. I got a watermelon cold pressed juice. And then I got 2 bags of Bombas. Scott really likes those. I mean, they are really good, but I won't have too many because we're on that diet thing, you know. And then I got an acai bowl down here. Hi, Puff. Acai bowl. I don't remember if I love this, but I'm gonna give it another try. Multi-grain blend with vegetables. We got 2 bags of orange chicken. Not the healthiest, but honestly, not the worst thing I could have gotten. So got that, sweet potato fries, and apples. So this is a healthier grocery haul for me. Oh, and I got these Chipotle vegetable quesadillas. So I thought that would be good because I like corn and beans. And so does Oakley, so I think he would really like this. And yeah, that's what I got from Trader Joe's. Now, since Oakley is not napping, Puffin, it's okay. It's okay. My goodness. If Teddy's like this tonight, I don't know what I'm going to do because I was awake from 2 to 4. Usually it would be from Oakley, but no. It was Teddy, like on top of my head. I'm like, it's all right. It's okay. But I think I'm going to get ready to go for a walk and hope that Oakley falls asleep. Whoa, but that's what we're dealing with. So let me put this away and then we'll go for a long walk. I'll probably edit this vlog tomorrow and get it up for you guys tomorrow, which is Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. Oakley's having some pancakes, raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries for breakfast. He already snacked some. He's constantly snacking. Is that so yummy? How come you're just looking at it, honey? We got your strawberries right here, raspberries, blueberries, which are your favorite, and some pancakes. I have to take his shirt off because they always get destroyed, even with a bib. But I got some clothes in the mail, so I'm going to show you guys that, and then we're going to go for a long walk because it's such a beautiful day. Alright, I don't really know what to do with my hair today, but I wanted to show you guys some clothes that I got in the mail from Feet. F-E-A-T. I'm going to link them down below, and they also gave me a $45 off coupon for you guys if you want to check them out. But basically they have athleisure, they have super comfortable loungewear and workout clothes. So it's not sponsored, but they did send them to me and I wanted to share my honest opinion. So first of all, I'm wearing a workout set right here. This is so cute, and actually it's like really comfortable. It's probably the most comfortable workout outfit I own, just because the material is so soft and comfortable and stretchy. It has like an underlayer too, so it's like double lined, and then the pants as well, they're like literally soft butter. So I'm wearing this outfit. This is what I'm going to wear today. I do wish it was like a little bit more high-waisted, but because like I don't like too much of my stomach showing. I don't know, that's just me. I'd rather have it be like up here a little bit more, but this is a really comfortable outfit regardless, and I'm gonna wear it today and see what I think. But super soft like butter. So this is the first outfit that I got. They also have biker shorts. These are super cute. I love this color. It's kind of like that heathered look, and it's like a heathered wine. So this is what it looks like. That's the logo. And I have not tried these on yet, but I will, because I bet I'm going to really like these too. So that's just the back side. It feels like really good quality. And then the last things I have, now these are more like comfy. I would wear these in the winter, or I mean I blast the AC, so it's constantly cold in here at night. But these are like super soft sweatpants, and they have this kind of material. So it's kind of, is this like fleece? I feel like it's fleece. It doesn't have the same material on the inside than the outside, but very comfy. And yeah, I don't know how these are gonna work in the wash. I'm hoping they'll be fine just because of this material. But they're so soft. So I can see myself in these a lot. I'm gonna put these on too and show you guys. I'll probably try it on in a mirror. And then also I got the same thing in shorts. So if I did want to go outside, again, I don't think I could go like on a hot day, but they do have shorts in them too. And how cute is this? So cute. So cute and so comfy. Is that yummy? So I'm gonna link this down below if you guys want to check it out. But seriously, probably the most comfortable leggings and workout set I've ever worn in my life. And I've tried a lot of workout clothes. And I'm gonna try these on now because I wanna see how they look. Okay, so these are the sweatpants. Wow, these are really cozy. They're just so soft on the outside. They are comfortable on the inside, but they're just not as soft as the outside. But I love this pattern. Ooh, like I could wear these to bed, honestly, or just like lounging inside, but I really like these. Let me try on the shorts. Okay, these are the shorts. Again, they're super cute because I love the pattern. These are too short though. They're too short on me personally because I would wear mine, like, I would wear it right here, right? A little bit above my belly button, like a tiny bit. But these are like, you can see booty. So, I like my shorts to be like a little bit longer. So I think, again, it would be like lounging around the house because I wouldn't wear these out because of this. But they're really cute anyways, just I wouldn't personally wear them out. Okay, this is my first time trying on these shorts, and they're really tight. I got everything in a size medium. These are really small on me. Yeah, I would probably have to size up on these, but the leggings fit me really good in their size medium, but these are wicked tight. I feel like I would like them if they were a little bit bigger, looser, but I can just feel, Oakley, what are you doing? I can just feel on my legs that they're just too tight. So going back to the leggings, these are definitely the most comfortable and most flattering in my opinion. I do really like the way that these fit and look, and these are just so soft. So again, I'm gonna link feet down below with my coupon code, and we're gonna go for a walk now. Before we go for our walk, I'm gonna have the vanilla overnight oats. These are so yummy. So I'm gonna have this because I haven't eaten anything yet, and today I wanna walk for at least an hour and a half. So it's supposed to rain the next couple of days, so I have to get my steps in today. But if you haven't tried this from Trader Joe's, oh my god, it's so good. I wanted to show you guys this package that I got in the mail from Maylee's. You can actually find this at Ulta, and honey, this is for mommy, and I'm so excited about it. Wait, let me take it out, okay? I'm so excited about it because it's all about like tightening and firming and booty masks and everything fun. Can I see this for a second? Thank you. Someone's so crabby. Okay, I'll hand it to you, okay? So this is the Be Tight Lift and Firm Booty Mask. There you go. So I'm excited about this. It says improves cellulite's appearance. Then we have the Be Thick, which is a booty enhancing mask. Woo! I love how big these are too. And then we have the Firming Belly Cream. Very excited about this. So it says it helps improve cellulite appearance, minimizes the appearance of stretch marks. I do have like more loose skin on my stomach after having Oakley, so I'm definitely going to be giving this a try. And then the last thing in here, oh my god, my inner thighs are always like a little bit more jiggly, so this is an inner thigh firming cream. How cool. Well, there you go, honey. How cool is this? So I'm gonna give all of these a try, and I will keep you guys updated. But it says helps give a tighter and firmer appearance to the inner thigh area. So exciting! So thank you for sending this over to me, and I will keep you guys updated. You know me. You'll probably see these on my Instagram stories. But I'm going to end my vlog now because his milk's going and I'm ready to put him down for a nap. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!